Hello, a song is produced by Memphis, Tennessee-based Keys, who was also in the director's chair for Slow Down, Skip's hit with Her. Vibe follows the release of Higher Place Anniversary Vinyl, a special one-year anniversary expanded limited edition LP of his debut EP, originally released August 28 in 2020. The limited edition vinyl comes in a special beige tone with the song lyrics printed on the inner sleeve. Vibe is expected to be included on the first album, which is scheduled for release in the first quarter of 2022. The family of dancehall icon Tyga has opened up a Real Helping Hands account to raise funds for the DJ after he reportedly suffered a second stroke 2 weeks ago. His daughter Rhea Jackson has made an urgent appeal to the dancehall and music community and the public in general to assist. RealHelpingHands.com is a Caribbean-based crowdfunding platform built by Jamaicans. The platform allows Caribbean residents to create online fundraisers. The dancehall icon is known for the hit songs When and No Puppy Love. Tyga first recorded as a singer under the name Ranking Tyga. His first single, Why Can't You Leave Dreadlocks Alone, in 1978. Now in 2017, a charity concert dubbed a tribute to Tyga was held at the popular Olympia Crown Hotel, aka Hotel Celeb, to raise funds with public support. On the international scene, police officers scoured the city of Memphis, Tennessee on Thursday in search of suspects in the killing of rapper Young Dolph. The rapper born Adolph Robert Thornton Jr. was killed at a local cookie shop on Wednesday. The shooting has shocked the music industry and his hometown, with condolence messages flooding the various social media platforms. Reports said that the rapper had been in Memphis since Monday, visiting an aunt who has cancer, and was also giving out Thanksgiving turkeys. I'm Deidre Ann Gordon with your weekend edition of E Prime. Have a good one.